Have you ever thought about working from home? Today, more than ever before, it's become a viable and often sought-after option. The traditional 9-to-5 office job is losing its charm as the digital age offers a plethora of opportunities to work flexibly from the comfort of one's home. Remote work is not just about comfort, it's about having the flexibility to balance your professional and personal life on your own terms. It's about escaping the confines of the cubicle and embracing a lifestyle that allows you to work from anywhere, anytime. This video is your gateway to that world. We're not just talking about any jobs here, we're talking about high-paying jobs that not only offer you the freedom to work from home, but also pay well. So if you're keen on tapping into this trend, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, let's look at the role of a tax preparer, with a median salary of $31,000. With a reputation often relegated to seasonal work, the role of a tax preparer is an essential one. From January to April, the infamous tax season, a tax preparer can comfortably operate from home, choosing work hours that best suit their lifestyle. Their tasks include preparing, filing, and assisting in audits, with a strong understanding of tax laws and excellent attention to detail. This role offers the flexibility to work from home and still earn a decent living. Next, we have the graphic designer, with a median salary of $42,000. Graphic designers are the visual wizards who translate ideas into compelling graphics. They create everything from brand logos to social media posts and even tech-related illustrations. With a keen eye for design and a strong command of design software, graphic designers have the luxury of working from anywhere, at any time. This creative role offers not only a good income but also the opportunity to work on diverse projects across various industries. Finally, let's move on to the public relations specialist, with a median salary of $51,000. In today's world, where social media platforms hold sway, the role of a PR specialist is crucial in shaping the public image of brands and individuals. Their tasks range from crafting press releases to pitching stories and conducting online interviews. A knack for communication, a strong network, and an understanding of media trends are key in this role. The beauty of being a PR specialist is that you can do all this from your living room and still command a lucrative income. In a nutshell, these roles, tax preparer, graphic designer, and public relations specialist, offer substantial earning potential and the flexibility to work from home. With the right skills, a dash of creativity, and a little discipline, these jobs can provide a comfortable income without the constraints of a traditional office setting. With the right skills and a little creativity, these jobs offer lucrative income and the freedom to work from home. Next, we have writers and authors with a median salary of $55,000. The digital age has truly expanded the horizon for these creative minds. Whether you're crafting a compelling novel, writing in-depth articles, or creating content for various websites, your office can be anywhere you find inspiration. As a writer or author, your primary responsibility is to communicate effectively and creatively, and the only major investment you need is a reliable laptop and a stable internet connection. The demand for this role is always high, with businesses and individuals constantly seeking out talented writers to craft their narratives and messages. Moving on, we look at post-secondary teachers who are earning a median salary of $59,000. With the rise of online education, these educators can now share their knowledge and expertise with students around the globe without leaving their homes. Their duties include conducting online lectures, providing feedback, and sharing resources with students. They also have the opportunity to create and manage their own online courses, which can significantly boost their earning potential. This role is particularly attractive if you love sharing knowledge and engaging with students. And the demand for online educators is only expected to grow. Lastly, we have market and survey researchers, earning a median salary of $61,000. These professionals are the backbone of many businesses, providing critical insights into consumer behavior and market trends. Their responsibilities include designing and conducting surveys, analyzing data, and presenting their findings to businesses. Their work helps shape business strategies and can make a significant impact on a company's success. With advancements in technology, these researchers can now conduct their work remotely, using online tools for data collection and analysis. All these roles offer not only the comfort of working from home and impressive earnings, they also provide the opportunity to make a meaningful contribution to society. Whether it's through sharing a compelling story, educating the next generation, or helping businesses understand their customers better, these jobs offer a sense of fulfillment that goes beyond the paycheck. These roles not only offer the chance to work from home, but also provide a meaningful contribution to society. Moving on, we have the registered nurse, with a median salary of $62,000. Registered nurses don't always have to be on the front lines in a hospital or clinic. In fact, many work from home in medical call centers, helping with care coordination and assessment. They can also play crucial roles in recruitment, offering a balance of medical knowledge and human resources skills. Next up, let's discuss the role of a computer software engineer. These professionals earning a median salary of $85,000 design, develop, and test software applications. This role can often be performed remotely, offering the flexibility to work from anywhere with a solid internet connection. While it's true that the job can demand long hours, the payoff can certainly be worth it considering the high earning potential and the satisfaction of creating something new and innovative. Lastly, we turn our attention to financial managers. These individuals, bringing in a median salary of $99,000, are tasked with overseeing company finances and generating reports. This role typically requires a degree in a related field. But the good news is that many financial managers can work remotely. With a blend of accounting and managerial skills, these professionals ensure that a company's financial health is in top shape. They're often able to work from home, provided they manage their time efficiently and have a quiet space to concentrate. From healthcare to technology to finance, these roles demonstrate the diverse range of high-paying jobs that can be performed remotely. They offer not only the potential for a comfortable income, but also the flexibility to work from home, which is becoming increasingly important in today's digital age. These jobs prove that you can have a rewarding and high-paying career right from the comfort of your own home. Scene script. Lastly, we have physicians and radiologists, with a median salary of $186,000. A physician is a medical professional who practices medicine, which is concerned with promoting, maintaining, or restoring health through the study, diagnosis, prognosis, and treatment of disease, injury, and other physical and mental impairments. They may focus on a specific area of the body or type of disease, and are often leaders of a medical team, coordinating the work of nurses, assistants, and other healthcare providers. On the other hand, radiologists are doctors who specialize in diagnosing and treating diseases and injuries using medical imaging techniques, such as X-rays, computed tomography, CT, magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, nuclear medicine, positron emission tomography, PET, and ultrasound. They're often the unsung heroes in the medical field, providing critical information that leads to patient diagnosis and treatment. Now you may be wondering, how can such hands-on jobs be done from home? Well, that's the magic of the digital age. Some physicians and radiologists have the option of conducting file reviews, peer evaluations, and generating reports remotely. They can assess medical images, consult with other healthcare professionals, and even provide telemedicine services to patients, all from the comfort of their home. Of course, this doesn't mean they can do everything from home. Some tasks, especially those that involve direct patient care, still require them to be physically present. But the ability to do a significant portion of their work remotely provides a level of flexibility that was unimaginable just a few years ago. With a median salary of $186,000, these are some of the highest-paying work-from-home roles. However, they also require a substantial amount of training and education. But if you're passionate about healthcare and are willing to put in the time and effort, the rewards can be significant. These 10 jobs show that with the right skills and determination, you can earn a high salary and enjoy the flexibility of working from home. Remember, the digital age opens up a world of opportunities, so don't be afraid to explore them. Let's quickly recap the high-paying work-from-home jobs we've discussed today. We kicked off with tax preparers who earn a median salary of $31,000, followed by graphic designers earning around $42,000. Public relations specialists, with their indispensable role in the digital era, earn a median of $51,000. Then we moved on to the world of writers and authors who earn approximately $55,000, followed by post-secondary teachers and market and survey researchers earning $59,000 and $61,000, respectively. The medical field also offers remote opportunities, with registered nurses earning around $62,000, Computer software engineers and financial managers, earning $85,000 and $99,000 respectively, also enjoy the benefits of remote work. Lastly, we highlighted the roles of physicians and radiologists who earn a staggering median salary of $186,000. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips on working from home. Until next time, explore, learn, and earn from the comfort of your home. And earn.